The air was thick with boredom. Eyes glazed, minds wandered, until sneeze. Up, up she went, like a balloon floating free. Her classmates gasped below. The bustling streets of Blunderburg became a blur. She was flying, joy and chaos intertwined. Every new sneeze sent her higher and higher. Each gust of wind brought squeals of delight and ripples of mayhem. A brilliant mind was at work. With a bounce of hope, he crafted a safety net for a soaring friend. From below, a lurking shadow. She wished for failure, convinced it was all just a silly game. Up she flew into the dizzying expanse. The world shrank below, but panic lurked with her every heartbeat. Stranded on high, fear gripped her heart. She was alone, paralyzed by the height and the bully's own fears. A spark ignited within. She zipped toward the height, ready to stretch her save-the-day wings. "Hold on tight," she called. In that moment, bravery replaced doubt. With a bounce that echoed joy, they soared, laughter intertwining with the rhythm of the city. Blunderburg had a new hero. Embracing quirks became a celebration. With a sneeze, dreams took flight.